To enable Google Assistant on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the Apps section first. Click on it, go to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, go to Other Settings, and then Default Apps. On the bottom, you can find Assistant and Voice Input. Go to the Digital Assistant app and make sure that Google is selected. That way, we'll be able to go back to our main settings page. Inside, scroll all the way down again, go to the Google, and here find All Services. Scroll down again and look for the Search Assistant and Voice. Click on it and then go to Google Assistant. Now inside, scroll down yet again until we find the Digital Assistant from Google. Click on it and change to Google Assistant, confirm the switch, and now your Google Assistant will be active. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.